With condition and share options vary. On January 1, 2020, an entity granted share options to each of the 300 employees working in the sales department. The share options vest at the end of the 3-year period, provided that the employees remain in the entity's employ and provided that the volume of sales will increase by an average of 10% per year. The fair value of each share option on grant date is 20 pesos, and if the sales increase by an average of 10%, each employee will receive 200 share options. If the sales increase by an average of 15% per year, each employee will receive 300 share options. And during 2020, the sales increased by 10% and the entity expects that this rate of increase to continue in the next 2 years. During 2021, the sales increased by 20%, resulting in an average of 15% for the 2 years to date. 10% plus 20% divided by 2, so that is equal to 15 kasi average daw. During 2020, the sales increased by an average of 16% over 3 years. So by the end of 2022, there are 20 employees who left the entity. We will start with computing for 2020 compensation just like the previous problem. So, ayan. First will be the number of employees. We have 300. And then, we have to multiply by the number of share options per employee. Kasi wala namang nabawas, diba? 2022 pa merong nag-leave na employee. So, multiply with 200 share options. We will have, ayan, 200 multiplied with 300. That is 500 share options. So, we have, we have 200 multiplied by 300. That is 60,000 share options. And then, syempre, multiply natin with the given fair value of the shares at grant date. That is 20 pesos. So, 60,000 multiplied with 20 pesos will have 1.2 million. So, we have total compensation of 1.2 million pesos. And then, after that, now we will have to divide this compensation expense for 2020, that is 1.2 million divided by 3 years vesting period. Yan, that is 400,000 to calculate with our minds. So 400,000 for 2020. So journal entry, we have debit salaries expense, credit share options outstanding 400,000 pesos. Next we have for 2020 kasi we have 10% increase in sales that is given dun sa problem. So that is why 200 share options. Dahil yun yung sinasabi dun sa problem. For 2021, we have again number of employees. 300 pa rin. Tapos dahil nga 15% na yung naging average ng last 2 years, gagamitin natin is 300 share options. So number ng share options natin ay 300 share options. That will give us yan, 300 times 300, that is 90,000 share options total. And then multiply with the fair value given, that is 20. So meron tayong total compensation of 1,800,000 pesos. So for 2021 compensation, we will use 1.8 million divided by 3 years times 2 years kasi pangalawang taon niya ngayon. That is 1.8 divided by 3 times 2. We have 1.2 million. And then ibabawas natin yung na-recognize natin for 2020, which is 400,000 pesos. So 400,000. So this will give us 800,000 for 2021. Next we have same journal entry. So debit ka ng salaries expense, then share options outstanding for 800,000 pesos. Next we have 2022. Yan, we have the number of employees. 300 pa rin. Tapos, given na merong nag-leave na 20 employees. And then, syempre meron na lang tayong 280 na employees na entitled. And then, multiply with the number of shares. That is 300 shares pa rin. Kasi 16% na yung in-increase. So, 300 na share options. That will give us 300 times 280. We have 84,000 shares. Total share options multiplied with the fair value of 20. So, 84,000 multiplied with 20 fair value, that is 1,680,000 pesos na to, no? So, total compensation should be divided by 3 times 3 kasi third year niya na. So, this will give us the same 1,680 less yung 400 for 2021 and then less 800 for 2020 and then 2021. So, 1.2 yun. Meron tayong 480,000 for 2022 compensation. So, debit ka ng salaries expense, credit share options outstanding, 480,000 pesos.